Filming in progress, microwave shit.
Oh, here, look at it. Look at the wheels.
I think those have LEDs in them.
Oh, yeah, that's what it is.
I don't think it's being that impressive.
It is being impressive. In a minute. It's smoking.
Or I heard capacitor pops. Yeah, there's a bit of smoke coming out of it.
There's a lot of smoke coming out of it.
Stop.
Let's open it up. Anyone put it in for a minute longer or something?
Nah, dump it in the bin. Throw the other stuff in there, I guess.
Actually, what happened to that capacitor? That capacitor?
I don't know. You didn't have.
Or maybe I left it out there.
Oh! Darn, of course you have to be in the way of the camera. Oh, there's fire! Like fire in a corner.
What even is that?
See?
Oh, that's the antenna. That's what that is. Oh,
I know, like little wires like that.
It welded itself to the...
Did it weld itself to the microwave oven?
It almost did. Okay, I'm gonna put it in for a minute.
Yeah. Stand back! Microwaveization in progress. Whoa! It's like fireworks. Oh! That was capacitor.
This is a big capacitor. This thing gonna explode.
Finish after this with put that in there.
Yep, fire extinguisher of some sort.
Oh no, I don't. So you're furnace outside.
Should I turn it off?
Yeah, open it. It's smoking. It's typically the moment it opens, it gets enough air and stuff.
Oh, we put it back in for a minute?
Wait. Nah. I'm gonna try to kick it out and then try to do that capacitor. It's like all melty.
Oh, crap.
Put the capacitor in there. Center of the microwave's a dead zone.
Really?
Famous words of UXW Bill. Hit start. That thing, if it explodes, it'll explode real big.
That doesn't seem good.
You know from the last time, even like after it's done.
It explodes?
Why
Yeah.
not?
Let me do that.
Might as well let it cook. I guess we're just building a time bomb. Just let it stay open, it's gonna pop or something. What we should do is put this carcass. No, not really. I go upstairs, we continue.
Oh, there it went, Max. Oh my God, Max. Oh, Max, come here, Max. Max. Max.
What?
Oh.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, that's a view.
Look at it! I felt the capacitor.
Is it gonna explode?
What the fuck? I wonder if the... Let me see it though. I don't know what in the hell that was. Ooh, that's an LED.
Oh, that's it up. Oh, there it goes.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Hey, what if the other one?
Where's the other one? It's an LED, yeah. CFL.
Oh no, this brand stuff.
Okay.
And where's your scraper at? This one seems to be on fire.
Let it cool off first.
There it is.
Oh, that's the CFL. I thought that was the LED.
Let me put a whole bunch of light bulbs in there.
No, just do that one now.
Here. There it is.
Okay, can you stop and throw this one in? Probably, I don't know.
Here, my mom called me. There you go.
Okay. It's your girlfriend, yes, and I guess we don't have your LED around. It's like a real light. Huh? Oh, there goes a capacitor!
Oh yeah. I heard that.
That thing's like pouring out smoke like there's no tomorrow.
Let me open it.
How's that capacitor look? It looks like it's gone.
That's right behind that light bulb.
Is it like tipped over or something?
Yeah, it's tipped over. Oh, look at that light bulb. It has a thing sticking out of it. It melted. It got so hot.
I'm somewhat scared to go over there. Oh, it did. Oh, dear. Might as well move that capacitor out of there now that it's like blown somewhat. Damn it. We'll clean it up later.
I gotta go. Oh, yeah. It's hot.
I'll clean it up later.
One more thing. Hey, wait, what about a speaker?
I got some pins. Whatever the hell this is. Smart motion base.
Throw them all in there. Just throw all that shit in there.
AC/DC adapter. I'll want to look at the AC/DC adapter. Ooh, I already see something.
That's that thing that you put in there.
It's smoking.
Well, I gotta go. Thanks.
3.0 volt. Oh! Yeah, there's someone with the pens, I think. Oh! Christian, come back!
You need these pens?
No, I don't. Grand finale.
Something's getting really hot. Oh, that's an adapter right there.
There was an explosion. That was disappointing. Smoke. The lovely smoke. Okay, I give up. Props to Emerson for making a good microwave. Good work, Emerson Radio. Thank you very much for watching this year's Mega Destruction. I don't know if it's going to be yearly, monthly, weekly. I don't even know. Maybe bi-yearly. The heck with Public Signal. We're a random channel that doesn't post much. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.